Hello everyone, I am Tanya Pandey from Sari Mantra. We are the manufacturer and supplier of authentic Assam handloom from Swalkuchi, Assam. We hand weave the very beautiful and the authentic Assam silk saris to Assam silk mekhela sador, Assam cotton saris to Assam cotton mekhela sador. Today in this video, I'm going to showcase two breathtaking Tospat silk. Tospat means in work we have used tassar and in weft we have used part which is mulberry. The texture of the sari is flowy, yet because of the presence of tassar, it also has a undertone roughness, I should say, or the earthiness of tassar. So it's a fantastic drape. People who do not want to wear tassar because it adds a bit of weight to your body or does not want to go for another mulberry can definitely opt for this beautiful silk of Assam, which is Tospat silk. This is the first sari, the beautiful and a very traditional Tospat silk. In my earlier videos, I've shown Tospat, whereas we have dyed the mulberry. But in this video, I'm showing you the traditional color of Tospat, which is not the pristine white, rather it is an off-white color. You can see the play of colors and how beautiful and classy it looks. The entire sari has been crafted with zari, golden zari and thread. We have used in the achal, we have used golden zari, a bright pink color and a blue color thread. The sari motif that you see, this panel that you see, it is an inspired motif of Hath Bhoni. Hath Bhoni means seven sisters. Now the seven sisters of Northeast, which is Manipur, Mizoram, Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya. So this Arunachal Pradesh. So these are the seven states which we represent in a motif known as Hath Bhoni. This is the simple version, or you can say the inspired version of that very traditional and the old motif. Here we have done the Miri motif. This beautiful sari with a subtle play of colors like pink and blue has popped out so beautifully. And definitely it has got zari work in it, giving it a very, very festive look. The entire sari has got beautiful small buttas all over, which are multicolored in nature. We have got the motifs we have done is in an alternative color pattern like this. You can see one in golden and pink, one in golden and blue, giving it a very bright and an elegant look. Now, speaking for the border portion, I think the border portion is also not to be missed. This is a stitched border, meaning the border has been woven and then stitched over the sari. This has the color play of pink and blue and the golden zari. The sari, I feel, is a perfect drape for this upcoming festive season. You can also drape this sari if you're going for a casual meeting, maybe an official meeting or an official party also. This is a sari which will live for generation after generation. What a drape, isn't it? This is the Tospat silk. I will unfold the entire sari for you so that you can see the texture, the fall of this beautiful drape. As we go to the inner side of the sari, you can see the buttas are placed far off from each other. Now this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece has this border panel which you can design as per your choice. The sari comes with lab testing certificate. The lab testing certificate certifies the warp and weft. And also it has come to our notice that many sellers in the online platform have stated that in order to get a lab testing certificate, you need to pay 10,000, 20,000 or some money extra. Absolutely false. Please do not believe in those words. A lab testing certificate is, if I can explain it to you in a layman language, it is like the BIS hallmark that gold offers. Like when you go to buy a gold, would you like to buy a gold without a hallmark? No, right? So why you want to purchase a handloom which the government is certifying with a lab testing certificate? Why do you want to buy a handloom with no such certificate? Please be aware from what are you buying, where are you buying, and what product are you buying. Please, it is my request, from wheresoever you purchase your Assam handloom, please do ask for lab testing certificate. So this is the first sari, which is a beautiful Tospat silk, handcrafted with golden zari and beautiful two popping colors, which is in pink and blue. Now we will move on to the second sari. A very traditional color combination in Tospat silk. Very beautiful, very elegant, and very classy. I feel these colors never go wrong. They can never go wrong. They can never be old enough. These combinations are evergreen for everyone. That is what I believe. So this sari is again a tospat, meaning Tassar by Mulberry. Warp has got Tassar, Mulberry is in weft. And the entire sari has been crafted with beautiful thread work. This is a no zari tospat silk. Look at the border, sorry, the archel portion. The archel portion is crafted so meticulously in the design motif of diamond. Here we have got a beautiful panel which has been done with red and golden color thread. There we have got a lot of multicolor like golden, red and green. This is a very traditional design motif that we have tried, our best to bring it back to all of you, because these are the long lost motifs of Assam handloom. Now the entire body has got beautiful small diamond buttas all over. The buttas are multicolor. It is in the color shade of golden, red and green. Please mind, it is a no zari tospat silk. No zari has been used in the entire sari. As I unfold, I hope you can understand the fall, the texture and the quality of the silk. This is how the entire sari looks, and this is the border portion which comes with this beautiful border panel which you can design as per your choice and preference. Now speaking for this border, I just love this border. This is a beautiful diamond motif that we have done. You can see the yellow portion that is shiny. It is thread. It is not zari. Trust me, there is no zari used in this sari at all. And the border is a stitched border, not a fixed border. So this is this lovely, beautiful off-white color with multicolor thread work, very festive, very elegant, and the best part, people who like, old classics can go for such beautiful motifs, beautiful drape of Assam. This is the Tospat silk sari, which yes, comes with lab testing certificate. The warp and weft is tested and certified. So no worry about the authenticity of the silk. If you want to book any of the sari, you can please contact us at 7896541489. And before we end the video, as I always say, that any boutique owner or any shop owner who are looking specifically for authentic Assam handloom, please do contact us. We'll be very happy to be associated with you guys. And thank you so much, ladies out there, to watch our videos, comment in our videos. I hope you are liking our videos. The whole vision, the whole purpose of me doing the video is not to just show the sari and sell the sari. That is definitely there. But the primary objective is to explain the drape, the beauty of Assam handloom, and to show you the real texture, show you the real art of Assam. I hope you enjoy our video. Please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. And do go and comment which one was your favorite out of these two Taspat silk sari. Thank you.